Today we have with us the iQ00 Pro and we are going to check out what do we get inside of the box. So as you can see, this is the Motorsport edition and that BMW is a premium partner of iQ. Now without any further ado, let's quickly unbox it. So right over here we've got the phone. I'll quickly unpack it. There you go. The variant that we have over here is the 12GB 256GB variant, and towards the back side, as you can see, we've got this white finish with the BMW logo over here, and on the bottom side we've got iQ branding and also a quotation which says fascination meets innovation. On the top side we've got a triple camera setup and also an inbuilt flash. We've got something written over here. Let me zoom it in. There you go. As you can see, you get gimbal-like stabilization with this camera setup. And that's pretty much about the physical overview from the back side. Let's move it towards the front. On the front side, we've got this punch hole design, and towards the side, we've got a clean finish. When we move towards the other side, there you go, we've got a power button which is in blue color right over here. Then we've got the volume rockers, and that's pretty much about the sides. On the top side we've got an IR blaster and also a microphone support. On the bottom side we've got the speaker grill, the USB Type-C port, another microphone and also a SIM ejector tray. So that's pretty much about the phone. Let's keep it aside and check out what else do we have inside the box. So I'll quickly unpack it and check out what do we get over here. So firstly we get to see this nice cover. It feels quite premium in my hand, and this case, let me tell you, is going to protect your phone from all the drops. Let's keep this aside as well and check out what else do we get inside the box. So we've got this card over here, inside of which we've got multiple booklets. Let me show it to you all. So firstly we've got this SIM ejector tool right over here. I'll keep this aside for now. Then we get to see a booklet by the sponsors, BMW. So this thing right here is for in case you want to use the UV glue tempered glass, you can use this coverings to protect your internal parts. Let's keep this aside and check out what else do we have. So here's the quick start guide. You can read it in detail and get to know how your phone functions. Then we've got the important information and warranty guide. Up next, inside of the box we get to see a 120 watt fast charger, and it is a Type-C charger, as you can see right over here. And lastly, inside of the box we get to see a USB cable. Let me quickly take it out. So here we have it. It's about 1 meter long, and as you can see, it is a Type-C to Type-C USB charging cable which supports 120 watts of charging speed. And with this USB Type-C cable we get to see the small little package. Let's unpack it and see what's inside of it. There you go. As you can see, this is a USB-C to 3.5mm converter. That's all folks. These are all the things that you are going to find out inside the box of the iQ00 Pro. Thank you so much for watching the video.
Regular notifications కోసం bell button